Hi guys! Hi Definition here for my week 3 vlog here in my CVAP journey. Just a recap, last week was really an emotional roller coaster. But just an update, from the feeling of being disheartened, there's a sudden shift of the emotion. So from the disheartened feeling to somewhat feeling excited right now. I just wanna share with you guys that grabe din kasi yung feeling guys na yung idea ko of doing the Tagalized version of Snow White packed with different elements of Pinoy traits, Pinoy setting and all was chosen to be the batch recital. So, medyo sad boy ako last week for feeling na parang hindi nag-i-improve and all. Pero ngayon kasi this is another challenge. I was chosen to, no, I applied to write for the script of the idea that I passed. And since gusto ko talaga siya, I like script writing, I like making scenes. Naging parang challenging tong week na to. Kumbaga, from yung feeling ng malungkot, ngayon excited. Kasi gusto kong makita yung idea and the script that I'm going to write will be put into a masterpiece. Grabe. At this point of time, I was able to meet students from other breakout rooms. And everyone was great. Bagong-bago kasi itong feeling na to sa akin na merong production. So I get to meet the people who applied as directors. I get to meet the people who applied as personnel for the sound effects. Tapos I get to meet different cast together with my classmate Dayan in Breakout Room 3 na kasama kong gumawa ng script. Grabe, everyone was awesome, everyone was amazing. Kaya excited din talaga yung feeling. Noong una kasi, 50% of the script lang ang required na isasubmit namin. And dun pa lang, as I was writing the script, tawang-tawa na ako and I really am looking forward for the audience to enjoy the show with the humor that we put onto it. And yun, excited and hopeful as well. So, yun guys. With regards sa lesson, week 3 of the CVAP course is about taking care of your voice. Nagbigay ng different pointers kung paano iingatan yung boses mo, do's and don'ts, like you need to be hydrated at all times. You should not do this, you should not do that. Ganun ba? Naisip ko rin na siguro kaya hindi ako nag-improve kasi hindi ko naiingatan ng gusto yung boses ko. So now's the time that I try to take care of it if gusto ko talaga makita na improvement. So, we'll see. Together with practice, syempre. And iingatan yung boses, do what must be done, and prevent yung hindi dapat. Tingnan natin if magbubunga ng maayos yung journey ko dito sa CVAP. So, that's it guys. Thank you for listening. And high definition for my week 3 vlog, signing off. Bye!